What up, y'all? It's your boy, and welcome back to Poppy Playtime. First thing first, though, I wanted to thank y'all. We completely squashed our view goal. Like, we had over a little bit over 50 views by the end of the first day, and my original challenge was to y'all was to get 35 views by the end of the first week. So I just wanted to thank y'all. Clap that up.
Thank you.
Seems that y'all really rocking with this with this game, so we can probably get through these chapters a lot quicker than usual. I wanted to start working on the second video as soon as I could. I wanted to thank y'all again. Now the second chapter I know is around 2 hours long. I don't know if we're gonna do two parts, or I can probably just, if I'm lucky enough and quick enough, I can edit it down to an hour and we'll just have a long video. See how y'all liking that. Or just leave in the comments, and for future chapters 3, 4, and 5, we'll do multiple parts. But I would like to get in one video if y'all actually want to sit here and watch that. Before we get into this, I wanted to say our goal for chapter 3, instead of views, because y'all clearly just squashing views. We already have double the amount. I think the first week's just ending. But so instead we're gonna do likes. If y'all want to see me get chapter 3 up in a week or two after this video drops, then let's see if y'all can run this video up 10 likes. I know y'all definitely capable of that, because the first part has 70 views, so let's see if we can get 10 likes, and I'll get the third part up as soon as I can. But anyways, let's get into the game. All right, chapter 2, Fly in a Web. Oh boy, how have I missed? Whoa, this song. Oh, the sound. Look at they plugging their merch. That Huggy Wuggy up there. Anyways, let's get into it. Flying a web. With Poppy now free, the situation begins to change rapidly while you search for any way to escape the factory. For our first watchers, whoever's watching this for the first time, thank you for choosing me. This game's been out for years. What are you saying?
Try to twist and bend her in every kind of way. Now it's time to have some fun. Mommy Longlegs wants to play.
Oh my.
With Playtime Co's patented elastic plastic, you can stretch, pull, and twist Mommy Longlegs in the craziest ways. She loves watching you play. When you're having fun, she's having fun. The new Mommy Longlegs from Playtime Co. What's the time?
Playtime. Oh, they didn't say it. Alright. Oh my. Alright. Go Poppy's eyes right there. Disgusting. Wake up. Head on. Poppy Playtime. Chapter 2. Oh, start off right here. Just right where we left off too. Holy. Okay, had to just check recording stuff. Anyways, let's get into it. So where it came from. Looks fake. Our way in got sealed off. I don't think this was here before. I gotta go back. Huggy. Weird dinosaur. Stairs. Ew. Elliot Ludwig. Don't go through this door. Alright. I don't like the voice. Huggy.
Does someone need a hug?
You good, Huggy. Keep your hug. Weirdo. Big key. To Elliot's room. Grapple hook, go. Elliot's office. Picked up Daisy. That. What's her tape? There's. First tape.
Playtime Co. is the product of a great man, divorced, but a family man at heart. His sights were always set on bringing amazing toys to amazing children around the globe. Ludwig spent countless hours in the factory, working overtime relentlessly in an attempt to continuously innovate and surprise. In the 1960s, an unfortunate family death had pushed Ludwig down to his lowest. But with so much ambition, he rose back up and continued to fulfill his vision for the Playtime Co. toy factory. Ludwig could never be content leaving a project unfinished. But just how did one man come to create such an astounding empire? How did he manage to stay determined even after suffering such a tragic loss? It all began in the fateful year of 19...
Uh-oh.
Sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was
That
just
weird
trying to get the
fat-headed
power back on.
thing from the... A weird doll from the case. Where are these? Just clap for me.
I wanted to thank you for freeing me. I was stuck in there for so long. Thank you.
I don't trust.
I'd like to pay you back. There's a train station nearby.
Okay.
It needs a code, and I have it.
Right.
We're gonna get out of here. As soon as you get on up here.
What's your lame on?
Come on.
Come on, man.
Hey, I'm up here. I see you.
Yo.
I should be able to follow you through the vents. This way.
I climb in the vent with you?
No.
Oh. Poppy over there. Whee! Holy Indiana Jones Tarzan. Door's locked. I go through the vent. Poppy, are you okay? Why are you? Huh?
Listen, I'm going to need you to trust me.
Nice. I immediately got hit with that scorpion.
Get over here!
So we lost Poppy. I'll jump in the hole as well? Frick. YOLO! Oh, a slide? Oh. The freak? These guys slides down there from their respective offices up the tube, head eye. Alright, let's go get the power on. Okay.
Many unbearable hours later.
Okay. Oh yeah. Alright. Turn on the game station. Okay. Give my hand back. Alright. I lost my hand.
So, isn't this exciting, Poppy? Very exciting,
Why aren't you
Mommy.
talking, Poppy?
Mommy heard that Miss Poppy was going to just give you the train code to escape. How is that fun? Instead,
Okay.
why don't we make a game out of it?
Okay.
The game station is still working. It will be just like old times.
Right.
And if
Back
you
when
win all
you
3
killed all
games,
those kids.
I'll give you the train code. Mommy loves that idea, Poppy.
Good idea, Poppy.
You're going to have so much fun.
Oh, we're
Head
acting
to
like a
musical
help.
memory, and Mommy will get things started.
Okay.
Obey the rules, or I'll tear you apart and eat your insides while you're still alive.
Oh my, that is freaky. What the? Alright. I'm not calling her by her name. I'm just gonna call you Longleg. Oh, it's open? Okay, let's go. Can I get my arm back? Alright. Welcome. Welcome to Playtime. Okay. Seems like they had playgrounds. They let the kids play on. Whack-a-wookie. Some memories. Yeah, she was.
Preparing for
It's a message.
3, 2,
Hi kids, welcome to the game station. I'm Stella, and we've got 3 super duper fun games to play.
Oh yeah.
These little tests show us just how crazy strong and
Looks
smart
like we
you
need a
are.
green hand.
Follow Mommy Longlegs down the stairs, and we'll start by playing musical memory. See you in a bit.
Musical memory. What is this one? Oh yeah. All this blood. Guess we'll go through here. Drop down. Alright. Your dirt. Oh, got a tape. Oh, we're making our arm. Oh yeah. Next. Again. Oh my, look at that machine on the right. Bro looks exhausted on his last breath. Oh yeah. A button. No paint in the machine. Oh, gotta go over here. you. Guess not. Yeah. Oh, green glove. Oh, I think. Oh, I got a table right here. This is it's an instruction for this hand. To temporarily hold electricity, so the new puzzle mechanic. Electricity charge lasts for 10 seconds. To 10 seconds the charge runs out. What I gotta do is set electricity charge. Oh, right here. Alright, thank you for the tutorial. Have a nice day. Think green. Reduce, reuse, plus recycle. 3 R's. Employee recycling habits must not impede Playtime Co. workflow. So they're promoting recycling, but can't mess with this.
I know when your birthday is.
When is it?
June 28th.
Close enough. Oh? Oh, that's nasty. Hello. Camera's recording me. Who's watching this?
Welcome to Musical Memory.
Musical memory?
This advanced memory and cognitive recognition test is designed to stimulate several segments of the brain, allowing us to see how quickly and efficiently your brain works.
My brain is top notch.
A sequence of colors will be shown, and you must recreate the exact sequence
Einstein's the
using
second
buttons
smartest in
around
the
you.
world.
Bunzo will slowly lower towards you. When you complete a color pattern correctly, Bunzo will rise back up. When you input a pattern incorrectly, Bunzo will lower towards you faster.
Bunzo.
If Bunzo reaches you, your test is over.
And I'm guessing I'm dead?
The test will become more difficult as it continues,
Hey, Bunzo.
with longer patterns in quicker succession.
Okay.
That's all. Good luck.
Alright, let's do this. What's the time? Playtime!
Oh, isn't it amazing? Mommy hasn't seen the place
Long
up and
leg.
running in years. Mommy
Not
can
saying
only
Mommy.
imagine how excited Bunzo must be.
Right.
It's been such a
Bunzo,
long
you gotta eat me.
time
Oh my God,
since he's
Bunzo,
been
why are you
able
getting
to
closer?
play.
Hey, Bunzo.
Here to eat.
Hey, Bunzo.
That's the dinner bell. Good luck.
Let's do this.
Red. Red. Green. Red. Green. Blue.
I'm not dying in no Bunzo. Back up there.
Green. Blue. Green. Red. Green. Blue. Green. Blue.
Oh yeah! Get back up there, Bunzo.
Round 2.
Okay.
Yellow.
Yellow? Yeller!
Yellow. Blue.
Yellow, blue.
Yellow. Blue. Red.
Yellow, blue, red.
Yellow. Blue. Red. Blue.
Yellow, blue, red, blue.
Yellow. Blue. Red. Blue.
You think he about to
red.
get me? Yellow, blue, red, blue, red.
Yellow. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Violet.
Yellow, blue, red, blue, violet.
Yellow. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Violet. Yellow.
Why are you so close, Bunzo?
Red. Violet.
Bunzo got me. Okay, Bunzo. He wasn't going up at all. Alright. Still have plans for you. Is this the first death count? Get up. Who are you talking to? I'll stay up. Alright, let's do this. About to be the only death count.
Blue, green, red, blue. Blue, green, red, blue, violet.
Oh yeah!
Round 3.
Round 3.
Red,
Red.
red, green,
Red. Green.
red, green, orange.
Green. Orange.
Red, green, orange, red. Red, green, orange, red, red. Red, green, orange, red, white.
Oh yeah! Another round down. Get back up there,
Round
Bunzel.
4.
Round 4.
Blue,
Blue.
blue, J.
Blue. J.
Blue, J.
Naruto
heart.
song? Blue. J. Heart.
Blue, J. Heart, mellow.
Blue. J. Heart. Yellow. What?
Blue, J. Heart, mellow, by.
Excuse me? Blue. J. Heart. Yellow.
Blue, J. Heart, mellow, by. Orange.
Blue. J. Bunzel. Excuse me?
Round 5. Snow, slime, snowflake, tangerine, turquoise, orange, massacre, blue, by, J, by, green, heart, snowflake, and question.
Get out of here. Bunzel, I had enough of your shenanigans. Let me off.
Oh, it broke. That's no fun.
Girl wanted me to die.
For doing such a splendid job, Mommy has decided to give you part of the code for the train. Look up.
Oh, thanks.
Take it.
I will. Piece of the train code?
Mommy was hoping the game could last a little longer.
No.
It's okay, though. Mommy knows other ways to play with you.
What do you mean by that?
Wait, what's she talking about? Hey, what? Holla. What's she trying to get into? I don't back down from no challenge. Alright, let's just get back to the game station. These vents are awfully clean for a building that's been abandoned for decades. Excuse me? Uh-oh. Okay. Rejected item in the oven. Reason for rejecting multiple cases of children receiving third-degree burns. Of course, you go give children an oven. Of course, like, they gonna burn it.
You're a dino joke?
Or poops a lot.
The question. Click again for the punchline.
Sir poops a lot. My collectible. Oh yeah. Bunzo. Dude just got bodied. Okay, bring it over here now. Okay. Pick right up. That out the way. Oh yeah, we out. Oh, there's a tape. I gotta find the tape now. Wait a second. Oh, it comes down. Okay, let's look for the tape. Oh, found it. Alright. Happy I actually looked. Alright. Tape time.
Finally happened. After years of being ignored, the company actually heard all my complaints. Yep, they listened to them very carefully. I guess my words must have really inspired them to take action. Because the next day I got demoted down here to the freaking island of misfit toys!
Alright. Over there.
Why do I talk to myself?
Breaking stuff. Oh, alright. So that's the introduction to an employee named Rich. Yes, jump scare. Oh wow. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. If you think about it, if you know what happened in this place, this chair being against this door has some crazy, like, meanings behind it. But okay. Guess we go back up here. Oh, we can just dip now? Alright. Next game.
Whoa, you did fantastic.
I know I did.
Who gave you permission to be this smart?
My mama, right?
Mommy is super proud of you.
Not that one.
But I'm sure she's already told you that herself.
No, not really.
Our
She
next
barely
game
followed me.
is Wacko Wuggy. Head downstairs and have fun.
Alright, let's do this. Wacko Wuggy. Oh my. Let's go Whack Wuggy. Pause. What they got going on here?
Welcome to Whack-A-Wuggy.
Yup.
This advanced test is designed to assess the extent of your reactionary abilities.
Reactionary, I'm top 10.
A dual palm grab pack will be provided to you for this test. Around you are 18 sizable holes. An adorable Huggy Wuggy toy could appear out of any one of these holes. If one comes out, hit it with your grab pack. That's all. Good luck.
Alright, we start. No, okay.
The toys in this game used to have strings attached to them, so they could be pulled back when they got too close to the children.
Seemed like that didn't work. Just looked like blood.
Have fun.
They were tied to strings. They're not anymore. You can move. Niggas move around a bit. Oh, they're different color. Alright, y'all. My bad. The recording low-key stopped, and I actually caught it this time instead of going forward. But I'm gonna lie, it is getting a little low, so I'm gonna try to finish this. If not, I'm gonna have to record it again, or maybe even just put this chapter into 2 parts. But let's see. Let's just keep going. Oh yeah, we were in the middle of this. It's hard to see you in that corner, buddy. So you one thing for sure though, I'm not dying in this weak-odd toy factory. I didn't even see where he... I didn't even see where
The toys in this game used to have
Yep,
strings
I know, Mommy.
attached to them, so they could be pulled back when they got too close to the children. Have fun. Crawling out of the tunnel, about to lunge at me. Hey y'all, it's post-production Leo here. I wanted to apologize and say that sorry for the sudden ending. I was really running out of space recording this, so I just had to end it as quick as possible, and that was honestly a place to end it off. I have really bad storage problems, and I'm just waiting until I can get a USB to card reader adapter so I can have more space. But until then, I'm just gonna cut this video into just 2 parts. I will try to get the second part out like sometime next week or in this upcoming week, because it's not fair to cut that for 2 parts. And then for chapter 3 and out so forward, I would try to make it 3 videos. But thank y'all for bearing with me. I want to appreciate y'all for even watching and getting this far. Hoping y'all liking the series so far, and y'all really do mean the world to me. So thank y'all for everything. Have a nice rest of your day. Peace.